Alright, so today I'm gonna make some chili. My baby father is a Texan. He wanted some chili, and so I'm making chili for him today. Today I'm using ground beef. I do have a recipe with ground turkey. I'll post that below. This is a jalapeno and a poblano pepper. Both of them in the same section of the grocery store. You can't miss it. This is all them look. You see it. Alright. Add your ground beef to your pot, ground turkey, ground lamb, whatever you want to use. And then cook up the meat. Break it down however you want to do it. First of all, look how pale my ground beef look. Don't mind me, y'all. It's because I had it sitting in water to thaw. Because I'm impatient. But anyway, so now I'm just going to break the beef down just like I'm doing here. And it smells great already. And don't mind my barbaric spatula flipper, whatever that thing is called. Y'all know I don't be caring, child. And I add a little butter. Now I'm going to season it up with some cayenne, some smoked paprika, some chili powder, some cumin, some salt, some granulated garlic, some granulated onion. And that's pretty much it as far as like the powdered seasoning. But you could use the taco seasoning or, you know, those pre-made chili packet things. That works as well. I'm going to mix this up. It smells so good already. Alright, so now I'm going to add my shallot, my garlic, celery, poblano, jalapeno. That's another level of flavor. Okay, y'all know I love my fresh seasoning. That's a whole nother level of flavor. So you want to mix this up just like I'm doing here and get the vegetables nice and moisturized. And you're going to start picking up the little bits and pieces, which is flavor on the bottom of the pan. This is the tomato products that I'll be using as well as the beans. I have crushed tomatoes, I have fire roasted tomatoes, black beans, and red beans. But clearly you can switch it up and use whatever you want to use and you'll be good to go. Plus, I'm not a time fair worry about all of that. You already know, use any tomato product you want to use. But now I'm going to add the crushed tomato down in here like I'm doing right here. Then I'm going to add the fire roasted tomato. You see me, you know, I love fire roasted tomato because it just tastes better, look better, smell better. So anytime I cook something and it asks for tomato products, I always buy a fire roasted tomato because I feel like it just tastes better. So that's why I'm going to do it. Mix this up for about 2 or 3 minutes and then I'm going to add my chicken broth. I never have beef. If you have beef, make sure you use it. Okay, don't make it complicated. Whenever I have beef, so I'm going to use chicken. Simple. So I'm going to add the chicken stock now from the make the other day. And now I'm going to make it come to a simmer. Add the beans. I use black beans and red beans. Use any bean you want to use. Now, me personally, if you're not adding no beans, that's just ground meat cook up in that tomato sauce. That's not chili. So, but comment below if you're a chili lover with beans. Or if you team beans or no beans, let me know below. But this smells so good, y'all. And we're not even done. I have a whole nother level of flavor to add to this at the end. So now while that I cook now, I said, oh, I forgot somebody else some cornbread, you know. So I find this gluten-free cornbread the other day. Y'all know I'm pregnant, so I've been trying to eat a lot healthier. So I've been eating like gluten-free stuff and things like that, especially when it comes to carbs. And this was actually my first time trying this one. So I just followed the directions on the back of the package. Added the milk, the egg, and the butter. I left some of the butter over because I wanted to put it in a pan. But pretty easy, simple. I didn't add nothing extra to it because like I said, I've never used this before. I didn't want to add extra sugar. And then it's too sweet. So I'm going to leave it alone. I make it go on wait to go on. And then if I don't like it, then I know next time so I can add something else. And then I mix it up just like this. Alright, so now I'm gonna put the rest of the butter now in the pan, just like this. No, I never use extra butter. I follow the directions from the back. The back said half a cup of butter. This was half a cup of butter. Melt it down, alright? So I'm gonna put it in the pan, swirl it round, get it nice and good and greased up. Now I'm gonna put the butter down in it and put it in the oven. And this was actually surprisingly really good, and I'm definitely gonna buy it again. I can't wait for y'all to see what it looks like when it came out the oven. I suggest getting gluten-free. If you use the packaged stuff of cornbread, or you don't mind using it, get the gluten-free. And I think I got this out of Sprouts supermarket. One of them supermarkets, child. I don't even remember what supermarket I got it from, but I'm pretty sure it's Sprouts. You see how the chili look good? Look how it look good. Perfect consistency, nice and thick. It was covered on low and simmered for about 45 minutes, probably an hour, child. I don't know, but about 45 minutes. I'm not joking. I didn't really count, but do it for at least 45 minutes to get the flavors nice and married together. So to finish this off, now I'm gonna put some cilantro and lime juice. Optional, but it tastes better. When you add this, turn off the stove. Some on the other earring, turn off the stove. When you add the lime juice and the cilantro, turn off the stove. Turn it off. Don't cook it down. Thank you. Alright, so now me I cut tonight. Me and you will find out the same time how it look, how it tastes. First time. You see how it look good? I'm wishing I could have smell it. So me probably I could buy this more often because it was super light and delicious. This is the cheese I'm using. Use the cheese where you want to use. This one did at $2. It did up on sale. So I had a cheese that I used today. So now look pan chili. It was just perfect consistency, thick, like me, thick, okay, delicious, and just bright, vibrant color. You already know somebody telling us to move some lights, not even up, but they can still see it. And now I'm just like dress it up with the cheese, the sour cream, some jalapeños, and then that's it. The jalapeños are optional. The chili's already spicy and full of flavor and delicious. But after decoration. So put it on the decoration. Alright? And that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. Myself and baby Peanut are doing great. And I'll catch up with you guys at a later time. Love y'all. Bye.